First questions. Which debate is highlighted in the following questions? Does the individual biological determine sex being with all of the characteristics that define one socially constructed gender? इसका आंसर है नेचर नर्चर इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन डेवलपमेंट. Second question. A major development task during death is the search for identity, person, sexual and occupational. इसका आंसर है adolescence. Third question. Read the following statement. Assertion. Children learn value and norm of the society is overt as well as covert ways. Reason. Socialization is the simple process of passing on custom and the ritual of the society. इसका आंसर है both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Fourth question. As for the Jean Piaget theory of cognitive development, which of the following abilities distinguishes formal operational thinking from concrete operational thinking? आंसर है इसका abstract logic. Fifth question. A significant critique of Jean Piaget is that he failed to adequately consider that influence of dash on development. इसका आंसर है culture. Sixth question. Which of the following is a correctly matches pair? Punishment. इसका आंसर है punishment and obedience, orientation, avoidance of the bad consequences. Seventh question. Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky are similar in their belief that. इसका आंसर है children are involved in the process of making meaning. Question number 8. Lev Vygotsky proposed that. आंसर है इसका children have a lot of potential which include tasks they can do with the other support. Question number 9. Read the following statement. Assertion. The purpose of administering intelligence tests and extended observations should be compare children in specific domain and abilities. इसका रीजन है इंटेलिजेंस इज इननेट एबिलिटी एंड कैन नॉट बी नर्चर. और इसका आंसर है ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स. Question number 10. A teacher who consciously takes example of scientists of all gender in the middle school classroom is trying to. इसका आंसर है break gender stereotypes. Question number 11. Read the following statement. Assertion. All girls are hardworking and sincere, while boys are intelligent and dominating. Reason. Two distinctive biological brains produce all differences in physical and cognitive skill, as well as personalities and temperament in girls and boys. इसका आंसर है both A and R are false. Question number 12. Individual differences in learning preference of students should be seen as. आंसर है इसका normal depictions of diversity. Question number 13. The kind of assessment in which a student score are compared with the average performance of other students is called norm reference. Question number 14. Which of the following statements about classroom assessment are correct? इसका आंसर है assessment should be served as learning experience in themselves. Question number 15. Which of the following questions would be promote higher order critical and analytical thinking skill among the students? आंसर है इसका identify the assumptions underlying two newspaper articles depicting the same event. Question number 16. Read the following statement. Assertion. Students with poor writing abilities are often stereotyped by their teacher as intellectually disabled. इसका रीजन है Teachers tend to have implicit bias and hold assumptions about student learning behaviors that can affect student growth. इसका आंसर है both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a way to promote diversity in the classroom? इसका आंसर है adapting behavior bias and stereotype student according to their background and cultures. Number 18. Which of the following is correct match of the learning disability and challenge caused by it? इसका आंसर है dyscalculia impact ability to read the language processing skill. Question number 19. Student struggling with esteem so is at. इसका आंसर है familiar and predictable routine. Question number 20. Which of the following statement is not correct about gifted children? इसका आंसर है gifted children have lower sense of curiosity and poor imagination skill. Number 21. Error analysis by student. इसका आंसर है support student in retaining their learning. Question number 22. Which of the following statement is correct regarding declarative knowledge and procedural knowledge? इसका आंसर है procedural knowledge is generally process oriented in nature. Question number 23. Context which require an extension or modification of extensive cognitive structure take dash time for learning and the return for dash duration. इसका आंसर है long. Number 24. Read the following statement. Assertion. Teachers should encourage children to focus on questions such as what is my learning goal and what do I need to do to get there. इसका रीजन है when students understand how to self-assess their work performance, they can use this understanding to help themselves learn and progress. इसका आंसर है both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Number 25. In guided discovery approach of learning. इसका आंसर है opportunities are provided to learner to construct knowledge for themselves. Question number 26. Which of the following strategies is not effective while developing conceptual understanding in children? इसका आंसर है asking student to memorize the definition as it is. Question number 27. An article middle school classroom should be founded on the theoretical principle of. इसका आंसर है social constructivism. Question number 28. Read the following statement. Assertion. Empathy depends on the ability to understand that others have feelings and to gauge their feelings. इसका रीजन है emotion and cognitions are not related to each other. इसका आंसर है A is true but R is false. Question number 29. A middle school teacher can enable student become strategic self-motivated learner by. इसका आंसर है encouraging student to develop their metacognitive knowledge and skill. And final question number 13. Which of the following exemplifies intrinsic motivation? इसका आंसर है motivation driven by personal interest or enjoyment of tasks. Good luck for next candidate who will be appear 8 February 2026.